Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube autoplay not working. So first, open the YouTube app or website and play any video. Now look for the autoplay toggle. On mobile, you'll usually find it at the top of the video player. On desktop, it appears on the right side near the Up Next section. If the toggle is off, simply tap or click to turn it on, just like so. Sometimes YouTube updates reset this setting automatically, so always double check this first. Next, autoplay may behave differently when using incognito mode, guest mode, or restricted mode. So to check this, tap your profile picture, look for incognito mode, restricted mode, or supervised account settings. So if any of these are enabled, turn them off and test autoplay again. Some account restrictions can prevent continuous playback. Next, you can restart the YouTube app or refresh the browser. So close the app fully and reopen it again and see if the toggle button is there. So temporary app glitches are one of the most common reasons autoplay stops working. If you're on desktop, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser tab. Next, clear YouTube cache. So on Android, you can go to settings, go to apps, go to YouTube, and go to storage, then tap clear cache. So on iPhone, you can upload or reinstall the app. So to uninstall it, press and hold the app and tap on remove app. Then tap on delete app to confirm the action. Now, once deleted, go to App Store, go and search for YouTube and click on install to install the YouTube app. Next is to update the YouTube app. So, older app versions often have bugs that affect playback features. So, you can go to Play Store or App Store and check if there's an update available for YouTube. Then install the latest version, then reopen the app and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.